All right, so this is going to be for jugglers that know how to juggle 3 traditionally, okay? So if you basically know how to juggle like this, then we're going to learn something called columns. Now, columns is, you're juggling with 3 as well, but instead of going underneath, as you see these going under, the one that was tossed before it, you're actually going to, with your, well, either hand, it's up to you, but my dominant hand is the hand that I'm going to toss up and over. And so with my non-dominant hand, I toss it nice and short. So it looks like this, rainbow. This is called the rainbow. Okay. And then another one is called columns, and it's where you make like a column. So you're going to have 2 on the outside and 1 on the inside. So it looks like this. Okay. So you can practice either rainbow or columns. Another thing that you could do for just skills and to get better at is to just juggle 2 in one hand. And you can do that as well with plastic bags. So one thing that I'm working on is my left hand. I've never been able to juggle 4, but that's how you juggle 4 is you're going to do 2 on your left hand and 2 on your right, at least the way I've learned it. All right, so hopefully that helped. That's again for the more advanced jugglers.